If you're trying to start a business and already exhausted, don't panic. We're not building a dream business. We are building the minimum viable business, something that fits your actual life and still gets you paid. Today, we're going to create your MVB statement. It's a simple sentence that defines what your business needs to look like for it to be sustainable. How much money do you need it to make? How many hours can you realistically work? What are your non-negotiables? And what boundaries are going to protect you? This is how you stop building a business that sounds good online, but then falls apart in real life. Most people start with the wrong question. They ask, what should I sell? But the better first question is, what can I realistically sustain? Because if your business requires 50-hour weeks, a constant social media stream, and unlimited emotional labor, it will collapse, even if it's a good idea. So your MVB is the foundation. It's your guardrails. Let's start simple. What is your starter monthly income goal? Not your one day, Rodney, we'll be millionaires type of goal. Your starter goal that makes this worth doing. For example, £300 to £500 a month, just to prove that it works. Maybe you want £1,000 a month so that you can reduce your hours at work. Or £2,000 a month so that this becomes a real income stream and a potential full-time job. Pick a number that feels both useful and possible. Now, decide the hours that you can realistically work. This is where people often lie to themselves. Don't do that. If you can do 5 hours a week, that's fine. We'll build around those 5 hours a week. If you can do 10 to 15, great. But be honest about your life, your health. Do you have kids? A job that you're having to go to each day? What's your energy and focus like? Decide the weekly hours you can actually sustain and how many days a week you want to work. Non-negotiables. These are the things that business must protect. For example, you need 2 evenings a week with no work. You don't do weekends. You need a rest day. Everybody needs a rest day. Maybe you can't do lots of calls or need to work only during school hours. Write down your 3 to 5 non-negotiables. These are rules, not just vibes. Now, boundaries. These are what make the non-negotiables real. Examples would be not replying after 6 p.m, only taking calls on a designated day, capping orders at X amount per week because you know how long each one will take to make, not doing custom work, or maybe only doing custom work at a premium price. No unlimited access and support to you. Boundaries aren't mean. Boundaries are how your business becomes sustainable. Here's your template for writing your MVB. Fill it in. There are different ways that you can do this. That's your week 2 foundation. Option A, post your MVB statement in BBS. There'll be a post linked in the classroom that you can do this on. Option B, post it right here in the comments on YouTube, using the format in the pinned comment. Either way, don't just watch, write it out, post it, make it real. If you want the free worksheets for this episode, the weekly prompts, and access to the custom GPT that will take you through the whole process step by step, join BBS. It's free and there's a link below. You'll see it and I'll see you in the next lesson.